Morning friends, in this video we will see the voice of past tense. It means we will see the voice of simple past, past continuous and past perfect. So let's get started. First of all, we have simple past. To make or to change from active to passive, we need to use was or were plus verb 3. It means we have a sentence with active voice, and that is who taught you. And this is an example of simple past. To make it in passive, we will firstly write by whom, because when we have who, we use by whom, and after that you is the subject. So with you subject we use were. So we will use here were, then you, and then taught. So the active one is who taught you. The passive of the sentence will be by whom were you taught. And another example of simple past is he pleased me. So to make it in passive, firstly we will change the object. So the object is me, and me will be converted into I because we are going to make it a subject. After I, we have to use was, because the rule says that we have to use was or were. So with subject I, we use was, then verb 3 of pleased, and the second verb of pleased, and the third of this verb is pleased. It is the same, no changing. And after that we have to use any agent or preposition. So I was pleased by him will not be written because that sentence will be incorrect. So we will write here with, and he will be changed into him. So the sentence of active is he pleased me. The passive of this sentence will be I was pleased with him. Another tense of the past continuous. So if you want to make it, we have to use was or were plus being plus v3. So the active one is he was eating a mango. To make it in passive, firstly we will write the object. So the object is a mango. After this we have to use was or were. So we will use was. Then we have to use being. So we will use here being. Then we need to write verb 3, and eating, the verb 3 of eating will be eaten. Then we have to use by, then he will be changed into him. So the active is he was eating a mango. The passive of this sentence will be a mango was being eaten by him. Another example of past continuous is they were beating you. So to make it in passive, we will firstly write the object. Object is you, and then we will use with subject you were. Then we have to use being because of this rule, and then we will write the verb 3 of this verb 4. So that is beaten, and we will write here by, and then the subject will be changed in place of an object. So the sentence is they were beating you, it will be made like you were being beaten by them. And again we have past perfect. So in past perfect we have to use had been plus v3. Active sentence is she had done her work. So the object of this sentence is her work. To make it in passive, we will firstly write her work. Then we have to use had and been. Then we have to write v3. So already we have v3 here. So it will not be changed. It will be the same. Then we have to write by. Then she will be changed into her. So the active is she had done her work. It will be changed. Her work had been done by her in passive. Another example of past perfect is we had taught you. So we will write firstly the object. So the object is you. So after that we will write had been, then taught, it means v3, then by, and we will be changed us. So the sentence of active past perfect is we had taught you. The passive of this sentence will be you had been taught by us. And thank you.